Hello to my viewers. This math is intended for grades 4, 5, and 6. The topic is about order of operations. So I have here the PEMDAS. So where P stands for parentheses, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and the last is subtraction. So example, 16 minus 7 plus 9 times 5 divided by 45. Okay. Since 5 cannot be divided by 45, so we will use multiplication first. So copy this one, 16 minus 7. Then 9 times 5 is 45. Divide by 45. So next will be division. So just copy 16 and negative 7. And then 45 divided by 45 is equal to 1. And then combine, positive. So this will be 17 minus 7. The answer is 10. Now let's go to number 2. 45 times 15 divided by round brackets 29 minus 14 plus 55. Okay, simplify this one. 45 times 15 divided by, inside the parentheses, 29 less 14. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this will be 15 plus 55. So 45 times 15 divided by 15 plus 55. Sorry, 55. Since we can divide this one, so copy 45 times 15 divided by 15 is 1. Then plus 55. Then this one, 45 times 1 is 45 plus 55. So 45 plus 55. So this will be 0. Carry 1. The answer is 100. Now let's move to number 3. 8 plus square brackets, and then inside there is a round brackets 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 divided by 2, and then close bracket times 3. So simplify first inside the square brackets. So 8 plus, what is 6 squared? 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So this is 36. There is a circle brackets. Minus 4 is divided by 2 times 3. So 8 plus this one, 64 minus 4. So this is 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring down 3. So this is 32 divided by 2 times 3. 32 divided by 2. So this will be 2. How many 2 do I have in 3? This is 1. Then multiply. Take away 3. Take away 2 is 1. Bring down 2. And then my new dividend is 12. How many 2 do I have in 12? So this is 6 times 2. That is 12. This will be 0. So 8 plus 16 times 3. This one will be simplified. 16 times 3 is, this is 18, carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1, 4. So this is 8 plus 48. Now what is 8 plus 48? 16, carry 1. So the answer is 56 for number 3. Now let's move to number 4. 24 square brackets. Then I have round brackets. Inside is 5 and 3. Then times 2 raised to the third power. This will be close bracket divided by 8. So I need to simplify first this one and this one. 24. So this will be 8 times. What is 2 to the third power? So multiply itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So this will be 8. And then divided by 8. So 24 minus, so this will be 64 divided by 8. So 24 minus 64 divided by 8 is 8. And then what is 24 minus 8? So I need to borrow from here, and then this will be 1. Now this will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Bring down 1. So the answer is 16. Okay, let's move to number 5. 6 to the third power plus 3 to the third power minus 12 divided by 4. So 6 to the third power. So multiply itself 3 times. 6 times 6 times 6. So this will be 36. 36 times 6. This is 36. Carry 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. So I have here 216. 216 plus, what is 3 to the third power? Again, multiply itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. So this is 9 times 3. So this will be 27. So plus 27. And what is 12 is divided by 4? So this will be 3. And then combine this one. 216 plus 27. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. This is 1, 2, and then this will be 2, 4. Bring down 2. So I have here 243 minus 3. So 243 less 3. This will be 0, 24. So the answer for number 5 is 240. Now let's go to the last number, number 6. 500 minus square brackets. I have here round brackets. 345 minus 264 times 3 is divided by 27. So I need to copy 500 first, then simplify inside the square brackets and square brackets. Sorry, circle brackets I mean. So circle brackets, I have here 345 less 264. 5 minus 4 is 1. Since 4 cannot be subtracted by 6, so I need to borrow from here. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. So I have here 81 times 3 is divided by 27. So copy again, 500 minus, I need to remove this one, the square brackets. So 81 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So I have 243 is divided by 27. So again, copy 500. Then simplify this one. So 243 divided by 27. So estimate. So let's say 4. This is 28. Carry 2. 8, 10. So I need to increase. So let's say 9. Estimate. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry 6. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 6 This is 14. Carry 1. No, sorry. 8 times 6 equals 48. Carry 4. Then 1 times 6 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Kulang ting. 243 is divided by 27. So, estimate this is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry 6. 9 times 2 is 18. And then 18 plus 6. So, 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1. So, this will be 2. So, I have here 243. Take away 243 is 0. So, this is 9. And then 500. Take away 9. So, this will be 4. This is 9. And then this becomes 10. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. And then bring down 9. And then bring down 4. So, I have here, my answer for number 6 is 491. That's all.